1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Alright guys, we are battling Alex Midcast. He's level 100.
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
And as you can see, he has the Titan Conqueror Power Katana. So he is definitely a Prodigy legend.
Are you sure about that?
And let's win this battle. Alright guys, first spell off the bat, we'll use Falling Star Smash. Alright guys, first question right off the bat, we got right. Hopefully he misses. Alright, we're doing some good damage already. Okay, how much is he gonna do? Let's go! He missed. Let's go. Hey Siri, what is 45 plus 48?
The answer is 93.
Guys, we just won the battle.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god!
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you, come along and see it's true. But the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya, dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like
Okay guys, so before this video ends, I wanted to announce the winners for my level 100 accounts. There are going to be 3 winners, and so 3 of you guys will get a level 100 account. Now guys, I understand only 3 people are going to win, but if you guys want to have a chance to win another giveaway, I do have a membership giveaway currently running, so just click the first link in the description, and you guys have a chance to win that as well. Okay guys, so the first winner is Spencer Cohen. Congratulations. I will email you with the details for the account. Alright guys, the next winner is Favion Cruz. Congratulations man on winning yourself a level 100 account. Alright guys, the last winner is Chase Howard. Congratulations on another level 100 account. Just like the rest of the guys, I will email you the details to the account. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up down below. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.